Greetings everybody, it's Marla Meridith from Telluride, Colorado. Welcome to my home. Today we're going to be cooking up a delicious shrimp scampi over linguine, all on our new Blackstone flat top grill. I'm super stoked to try this thing out on one of my all-time favorite dishes. If you don't already, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I look forward to seeing you guys here more often. I post a few times a week. Now remember everybody, when we cook together, one of the goals is to keep things super easy with minimal cleanup and to maximize our flavors with the freshest ingredients we can find. So are you all ready to get started? We're gonna go torch up the flat top. Let's get this started. We have our marinated shrimp here and it is ready for the flat top. I would absolutely love your feedback on this recipe or any other of my recipes that you've tried from my YouTube channel or my blog, marlameredith.com.